In this video, I'll be showing you how you create a playlist on SoundCloud. It's simple and easy. So to do that, you just open a song like that. You can create it in two different ways, just like you do on Spotify. So you just need to open a song. Like you have the song here, you just tap on this three button at the bottom. You see the arrow on the screen there. You can see add to playlist there. That's the first option. So when you tap on that, if you don't have any playlist, you'll be asked to create one. So you just tap on the create one here. And then you give the playlist a name. You can see. Let's do it indies. Yeah. And then you just save it. And now you have a playlist called indies. You get it. 2 tracks. Now let's come back. You can create another one. You can create a lot of playlists you want. And on here, you can move to your library like this. Good. On your library, you can see playlist here. Just tap on that. And you can see import some and create one. So create one, you tap on the create one to create a new one. The same procedure. And then you add a name and then you save it. That's it on how you create a playlist on SoundCloud. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.